Lady Gaga bow. Okay, you pin up the hair, you pin it up, you get these separate parts, you get them and you separate them. And the part that's hanging down right here, you put that through the middle, do that, and then you have to get a rubber band, you have to tie it about like 3 times. And that's how you make a Lady Gaga bow. Have fun! Remember, Lady Gaga is always your style. Thank you for watching. And remember, you can ask me how to do anything. Look, it looks like it's regular pinned up. It really isn't. It's a Lady Gaga bow.